How's it going, YouTube? I trust you all well. Tony Brown here again with another Akai MPC sampling video. And in this video, as usual, I'm going to take you through a process of finding a sample, chopping it up, and making a beat. And I've already found something, I've already chopped it up, and I'm about to make the beat. Alright YouTube, I'm tired tonight, man, so I'm going to leave this there. I've got a little framework to work on in the future. You know, sometimes you just have to put your ideas down, man. You know, it's not always going to be a hit, it's not always going to be a banger. You just got to put your ideas down and move on. So, you know, just wanted to give you a peek over my shoulder as I just capture an idea. I'll put that down in the vault and, you know, maybe one day I'll take it out and finish it off and do something with it. But I hope you enjoyed the process. If you did, then make sure you give me a big thumbs up, like and subscribe. And if you haven't already done so, make sure you check out my other beat making videos where I take you through a process of finding a sample, chopping it up and making a beat. And also, if you haven't already done so, make sure you go and check out The Pad Bank, which is thepadbank.com, which is my producer's forum. So I'll see you again in another video. All the best. God bless and take care.